Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to SpongeBob's Vlog starring Vivo!
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Ngayon, Dwaine fam, papakita ko sa inyo yung midlife crisis ko. Yung mga collection ko. Ngayon, this year pa lang ako nagko-collect ng ganito. Kasi 31 years old na ako. Nasa katapusan na ako ng calendar. Kaya, collecting na ako ng mga childhood nostalgia. So, to get this vlog kicked off, we are going to do something that is making my heart beat really fast. Me kind of parang kinakabahan ako kasi bubuksan po natin ito. This is a Pokemon Jungle Booster Pack. Look at it. It's beautiful. Ay, grabe. Tingnan niyo yung kulay yellow. It brings back so many memories at ang mga ganito. Okay, so grabe. Pokemon Booster Pack, Jungle Booster Pack. This was the second set of Pokemon cards that ever came out, the Jungle. So basahin muna natin yung sa likod, okay? Kasi ganyan ako ka-addict sa Pokemon cards. Are you ready to explore the jungle? If you look hard, you'll find 48 new Pokemon cards in the exciting Jungle expansion for the Pokemon trading card game. Trade with your friends, show off your favorites, and build decks from the random cards in this booster pack to customize a Pokemon themed deck or starter set. Collect all the jungle cards and you'll discover awesome new holographic cards with super attacks, a must for every Pokemon collector. Do you have the skills to become the world's #1 Pokemon master? Master the Pokemon trading card game and find out. Recommended for players ages 10 and up. 21 na ako. 21 years too old. Sabagay, sabi 10 and up, wala namang limit, no? 10 hanggang 100 years old ka, pwede ka mag-Pokemon. Ayun. Each player must have a 60-card deck of Pokemon cards to play. Collect both Pokemon Jungle-themed decks. Grabe! Oh my gosh, we're gonna do this. Alam niyo, itong booster pack na to, this cost me $200. $200 itong Pokemon Jungle booster pack na to. Nako, I remember getting these when I was a kid. Opening these booster packs, looking through them, being excited to see what was inside. Alam niyo yung tito ko na si Uncle Waza? Meron siyang shop, tindahan. Parang nerd shop siya, nagbebenta siya ng ganito. Binigyan niya kami ng mga Pokemon cards nung may shop pa siya. Woo! Okay guys, oh may flap pa. Alright, let's lift up this flap and see what's on the other side here. Premium cards, odds approximately 1 in 33. So we have a 1 in 33 chance of getting a holographic card. Okay, basahin muna natin to. Gusto kong basahin ang lahat ng nasa booster pack na to bago natin bubuksan. Published by Wizards of the Coast, Incorporated, PO Box 707, Renton, WA. All those numbers, USA. Made in the USA. Keep this address for your records. Wizards of the Coast is a registered trademark of Wizards of the Coast Incorporated. 1995, 1996, and 1998 Nintendo creatures. Game Freak Pokemon Jungle, gotta catch them all on the official Nintendo seal, are trademarks of Nintendo. 1999 Wizards of the Coast, Inc. So, 1999 pa to lumabas. It was released nung 9 years old ako. Wow! 9 years old. Oh, ito yung kwento behind this booster pack. A dense jungle undiscovered by humans. Here, Pokemon have evolved into strange and marvelous forms as yet unknown to scientists. Drawn here for their never-ending quest for Pokemon, the trainers of the world have come to call this forest the Pokemon Jungle. Questions? Call that number. Ooh, may number pa yan. Pero sarado na ata yung number na yan kasi 1999 pa to. Oh my gosh, alright guys, we're gonna open this right now. We're gonna do it. We're gonna open it! Oh my gosh! Grabe. Before we open it, let's weigh it. Okay, let's see how heavy it is. Now, I believe this is a heavy booster pack. Ibig sabihin ng mabigat na booster pack, there's a high chance na may holographic cards sa loob. So, let's weigh this. Let's see how much it weighs. Okay, putting it on the scale. 21.21. Woo! Wow. 21.20. Okay, so there's a high chance there's a holographic card in this. Oh my gosh, am I really gonna do this? Am I really gonna open this up? Grabe. Oh my gosh. Sealed since 1999 and we're just gonna open it right up. Tawagan ko muna si Shanta. I want her to be a part of this.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Okay, andito na siya. Andito na si Shanta. Okay, intro ka siyan, okay? Because you're gonna be part of my childhood. Okay, so ito si Shanta Mrs. Ka. She's going to witness me opening up this booster pack. Shanta. This was a booster pack from 1999. The Pokemon Jungle set. I remember having these as a kid, opening them up and being super excited. So alam mo, we're going to open it na.
Alam mo,
Ano?
lasing ka. You remember you were a kid?
Yes.
Dito, ako nasa college na.
Goodness. 1999, you're in college?
Dir nga yan, high school
Yeah,
na
you were
yan.
in high school. Ano ko ba?
1999,
Si
third year
Shanta
high
kasi
school.
cradle snatcher. She's 6 years older than me.
Third
Okay.
year high school lang.
Are you ready, baby? I'm gonna open this. Oh my
Ba't
gosh!
ako invited dito? Hindi naman ako excited dyan.
I am excited. It's been sealed since 1999. Ano ka ba? Hindi ka ba excited? Goodness.
Hindi ako nakaka-relate sa Pokemon cards. Hindi ako nakaka-relate sa Pokemon.
Okay, so the cards I'm looking for in this pack, yung pinakamagandang cards, is gonna be Vaporeon, Jolteon, Flareon, or Scyther. Ano yung
Uy, mag-shave ka naman.
Goodness. Oh, am I gonna do this, Shanta? Should I do it? Am I really gonna do this? I'm gonna open up this pack. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I am doing this. Alright, we are doing this. Okay, here we go. No, I wanna open it because it's my childhood, not yours. Here we go.
Open it,
Oh. Oh my gosh, Shanta. I'm really doing this. I'm opening
Uy,
this booster pack.
sayang lugod. You can sell it for more kung it's not open.
Huh? Yeah, I know, but sige lang.
Guntingan na lang. Para magunting liwat ang card. Look.
Oh, here it
Pag mo
is.
sinisira, pwede mo pang mabenta yung wrapper.
Yeah, I know, you can actually sell the wrappers. How crazy is that?
And why are you
Well, I'm
opening?
just gonna open it up this way. Opening it up. Oh
Why
my
are
gosh.
you using-
I'm opening this booster pack. Ah, yeah, I know the pack is rooted. Oh. Oh, it's open, Shanta. Oh my gosh. Woo!
Just a
I've
vine.
opened the
vine
booster
bit.
pack. Oh my gosh. Why did I do that? I've opened it. Oh. Oh man, it has a big print line down the middle. This Bellsprout. Grabe. Okay, Bellsprout.
Ew. Ano
I
yan?
remember opening them up and like just going through them. Like,
Walang
yeah.
maganda. Meow!
Huh?
Meow,
Goldeen.
too.
Oh, it's
meow.
got see, it's got a big like print line in the middle.
Why?
Hopefully the holographic doesn't. Goldeen. Cool. A
Kaya feeling mo
Goldeen.
meron. Walang holographic yan, no?
Oh, baka meron. Oh, Meowth. Oh, it's a Mankey, Shanta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's a Mankey. Oh, Jigglypuff. That's oh, these cards are in such pristine condition. Oh my goodness! Can't believe I'm doing this, Shanta. I opened the booster pack. Oh, the next one is a Paris.
Walang holographic.
Meron yan. How many cards is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 cards.
Pag ganyan lang, how
Oh,
much can you sell
execute.
them?
Execute. Huh?
How much can you sell them pag isang ganyan lang?
Oh, not that much. Unless it's holographic from the jungle set.
Hindi
Yeah.
holographic.
Let's see. Is it?
Pagdali kayo maururo.
Oh, it's not a holographic.
I knew
It's
it!
not.
I knew it!
It's a pinzer. Ah, it's not hollow. That's crazy. It was a heavy pack. It should have been hollow.
Ganyan yung ano nila.
Sayang, no?
Ganyan yung pag ano nila.
Okay, so that's Pinzer. Then we have Rhydon.
Pagdali kayo maururo.
We have Sea King and Gloom. Oh no, I was hoping it would be a holographic
See,
card.
I told you.
It wasn't.
I told you.
Sayang all. Well, I can
Sayang
still
ang
sell
karta.
the wrapper.
Robert, linggo ba mo? Paano mo masasal yan? Sira na.
Ay nako, ba't
Alam mo,
ganun?
na magic yun kasi tinawag mo ako dito, naging hindi na holographic kasi tinawag mo ako.
But it was a heavy pack. It was supposed to be holographic. It wasn't. Nah, sige lang. Yan talagang buhay. Sige lang, Pinsir is still cool Pokemon. No, it's still cool. Alright guys,
Magkano
so
bilhin
yan
niyan?
ang nasa ano, yan nasa jungle pack. I bought that for 200.
And how much can you sell all of them now?
probably 30.
Oh my gosh, you just wasted money.
Yeah, well, it was the, experience of opening up an old Jungle booster pack like I've just done. So that was fun. That was worth it for me.
Para sa'yo. Sige na, bye guys.
Adventure fam, disappointed ako kasi walang holographic sa loob. But I do have some new pristine cards. So I'll just keep these. Hindi ko na lang ibibenta. Then kasi nostalgia. I-add ko sa collection ko yung mga gento. Ayun, so ito yung rare card. Pero hindi siya shiny. Hindi siya holographic. Ayan all. Alright guys, so yun lang po. Maikli lang po ang vlog natin today. A bit of my childhood nostalgia that I've shared with you. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa sunod video ng Donta. Bye for now. So ito ang man cave ko, Adventure Fam. Yun. Maganda, di ba? I'm gonna give you a tour of where everything is. So, ito yung pintoan na walang pinto. Okay. Walang door. Kulang pa yung door. So, pagpasok namin dito, ayun, this is what we see. This is the man cave. So, andito sa kaliwa ko is Shanta's office desk. Andun ang office desk ko. So, we can work na magkatabi. Di ba? Sa gitna, ito ang lamesa namin, our gaming table. Play board games on this table. We do filming on this table, etc. Ayun. Dito, next to the table, we have some display cabinets para sa mga Dungeons and Dragons miniatures go from the D&D miniatures game back in 2003. Yes, childhood nostalgia na naman. Meron din akong mga sealed booster pack na hindi pa nabuksan. May mga dragon o dito naman ang mga board games. At ang mga board games ko, we have all the old board games from Warhammer. We have Gloomhaven, we have some more Dungeons and Dragons stuff there. Ayun, may sealed board game dito. Sealed and out of print. May Warhammer. May comics sa baba. Yung comic na to, ito yung ginawa ko para sa family ko. So I made this comic. Gave it to them for Christmas. Masaya siya actually. Gusto kong i-translate sa Tagalog. Tapos ibibenta sa public. Andito naman ang display cabinet. So we have Lego sa baba. We have Game Boy games on the next level. The next level we have Warhammer. Yun, Vampire Counts Army from 6th edition noong 2002. 12 years old ako when I had these. Grabe, no? And at the top we have the Pokemon cards as you saw kanina. Ayun. O diba?